How to make a table in Elementor. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply install this plugin which is called Table Press, which is completely free, and then after that you're gonna have to simply open the plugin and then simply go to all tables, and then here you're gonna have to simply add a new table. So you're gonna have to click on add new, and then you're gonna have to simply create your table. So you're gonna have to add the table name, description if you want, number of rows and number of columns. And after you add all the content needed, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to advanced editor, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply, so we're gonna have to add, as you can see, get this short code. So you should have this on the table information section, and basically with this short code you're gonna have to go to to Elementor, and then basically you're gonna have to simply add this short code and then click on apply, and basically you're gonna have the table right here. So that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.